become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. Winter storm warning upgraded to a blizzard warning, in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The winter storm warning has been replaced. Locations: coastal Essex and western Plymouth counties in Massachusetts. Hazard types: heavy snow and dangerously low wind chills. Considerable blowing and drifting snow with blizzard conditions possible at times tonight into Friday morning. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 10 to 14 inches, with locally higher amounts. Timing: periods of snow will continue into Friday. The heaviest snow will occur tonight into early Friday morning, when snow may fall at 1 to 2 inches per hour. Impacts: untreated roads will be snow-covered and slippery. Conditions will rapidly deteriorate tonight as snow becomes heavier and the winds increase. This will result in blizzard conditions at times, tonight into Friday morning. Whiteout conditions are possible, and travel may become impossible at times. Dangerously low wind chills will also develop Friday morning. Winds, north to northeast 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Visibilities: 1/4 mile or less at times. A blizzard warning is issued when sustained winds, or frequent gusts over 35 miles per hour, are expected with considerable falling and slash or blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times. Those venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, so persons in the warning area are advised to stay indoors. Blizzard warning remains in